Welcome back to this channel. This is Autocad for Engineering. This is lesson number 40. In this lesson, we'll talk about the Revolve command. How can we use this command? I will just start a new page here. And let's see how can we use this one. So we can use this command in two different ways, by using the objects or using the axis. Let's just make here an example and see how to use these commands. I'll just make a pull line drawing and start here 3. Just a quick drawing here before we start using this one here. So this is right. I'm gonna adjust good. And okay, so just made this shape, and I will copy twice. We'll give here 3 example using this one here, and just put right there. And also I can also copy one more. Just copy one more from this line here. Okay, can it be all right? Done. So I have here like 3 copies of this drawing. Just start with this one here first. And how can we how can we use Revolve? So now I will go to the isometric view, and I can start with the first one. So the first one here, I will use the first method, which is using an object. For that, I need to make here a line. The objects can be like that. Okay. So activate the command, select the objects, enter. Now I have here 3 options: the object and the axis. We'll start with the objects. Select the object will be this one here. So you can see here we are having the revolve, and then specify the angle. This is the angle. So you can also change the view, and we have here the drawing. Now we can also make another one using a second method, which is using the axis. So I'll just come here to this one here, and we'll just take off the grid. Okay, let's go again. Select the objects, enter, and then it goes to the axis. We'll start with the x-axis. So again, I'm gonna specify the angle will be 360 degrees, so a complete turn. You can also make using half turn. We'll just use complete turn. As you can see here, we have the same lines, join of lines, same design, but the shape, the final shape will be different because of using different method. And we can also make another one here, which is the last one will be this one here. So it will be even different using different also axes. Let's just go there and then select the object, then give the enter. Now we can use also y-axis, and you can see here it is also different one, and we can also specify the angle 360 degree, enter, complete turn. So as you can see, so we have here 3 different drawing. As you can see here, so using the y-axis will be also different one. So the way, this is the y-axis. So as you can see the drawing, right? And we have the other 2 using the object and the x-axis. So that's the way we use Revolve. I hope you like, and please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and comment below. See you to the next video.